Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the world of Ginkgo Biloba, a powerhouse herbal supplement with a ton of potential benefits for your health. First up, let's talk about brain health. Ginkgo Biloba is believed to boost cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain. Studies suggest it can improve memory, attention, and mental clarity, especially in older adults. Feeling anxious? Ginkgo might help with that too. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can have calming effects, making it a natural option for reducing anxiety symptoms. Now, let's focus on eye health. Ginkgo's ability to improve blood circulation may benefit your eyes, potentially helping with conditions like age-related macular degeneration and glaucoma. And it doesn't stop there. Ginkgo Biloba may also support heart health by promoting blood vessel dilation and improving circulation, which is great for cardiovascular health and reducing symptoms of claudication, that pesky leg pain from clogged arteries. As an added bonus, ginkgo is packed with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and terpenoids. These help fight free radicals, reducing cellular damage and inflammation, which can protect against aging and various diseases. Speaking of inflammation, ginkgo's anti-inflammatory properties could be beneficial for chronic conditions like arthritis, IBS, and asthma. There's even some evidence suggesting ginkgo might support mental health and help with mood disorders, though more research is needed. And for those who suffer from migraines or headaches, ginkgo's ability to improve blood flow and reduce stress might offer some relief. Remember, while Ginkgo Biloba has many benefits, it can interact with medications and cause side effects. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. So there you have it. Ginkgo Biloba, a small leaf with mighty benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.